Okay, it's time for me to introduce for you about linking sounds. First of all, I want to ask you, how do you know about linking sound in English? Oh yes, according to me, linking sound is due to collect speech in English, and words in English are usually linked together smoothly without break between them. So we have a four main situations of linking sounds. And I will start with the first situation, consonant and vowel. You know, normally the consonant at the end of the word will be collected with the vowel at the beginning of the word. We have a lot of example with this situation because it's more popular. Okay, so I will show you some examples. Makeup, markup, breakup, check-in, nookup, nookopter, drink a cup of coffee, drink a cup of coffee, think up, take away, recover bit, catch up, tissue, catcher, each other, call up, pull up, full automatic, Middle East, MA, tell us, turn on, turn off, turn over, tone of voice, in another section, mice and doors, hold on, good at, everybody, could it be, Los Angeles, seduces, pass up, dance at her club, what's up, 10 years ago, live scene, much the part, color it, computer information, contact us, laptop, bought a card, light up, picked up, quite as easy, part of it, with us, with laptop, for tapper, a mouth of, love it, leave it. Okay, some sentences. Amazing brother. A lot of information. Works on a piece of paper. Anson does the motion. Night and day. Wait the time. How much the apple? Dan is attending an excellent university. Please call again in an hour. Please call again in an hour. That's amazing. We That's amazing. We run no trip together. That's amazing. We run no trip together, and we have tour guides. You have to guide. Attention, everyone. I have an important announcement to make. Attention, everyone. I have an important announcement to make. We need to live in a few minutes. We need to leave in a few minutes. The train is arriving. The train is arriving in an excellent 11 minutes. The train is arriving in an excellent 11 minutes. Okay. One more thing you have to remember before a link consultant with to Valve, you have to move unvoid consultant to void consultant. For example, with the pen become with the pen. Some of us become some of us waiting, not waiting, waiting. Okay, and that's all about consonant and vowel. I will talk about select situation. Select situation is vowel and vowel. When you have two vowels linked to each other, I have to add one consonant between them. And we have two types in here. The first type is round leaf vowel. For example, oo, oo, o, ow. You can see the mouth round, right? So you have to add w between them, between vowel and vowel. For example, I will show you. Do it become do it. Go away become go away. USA become USA. Too often become too often. So I become so why. Do on become do on. And the second type is flat lip brow. Flat lip brow. It means the mouth when you pronounce it is flat. For example, E, A, E. Okay, so you have to add ja between them. For example, VOA become VOA. I am become I am. We are tired become we are tired. She asks become she asks. And VN become VN. A bee on a tree. A bee on a tree. Okay, so that's all about vowel and vowel. And the next part is consonant and consonant. You know, when we have two or more consonants linked to each other, you have to miss one. You have to miss one consonant. You have to just read one consonant in here. For example, 1, 2. You have three consonants N, T, T, right? So you just read one consonant and want to become winner, right? So I will show you some more example in here. Okay, we have deep music become deep music, not simple become not timber, singularity become singularity, sit down become sit down, check cashing become check cashing. Okay, finally we have some special situations. Okay, so first situation in here is when T asks why are you become sh sh sh. For example, not yet become not yet. Picture become picture. And the second is d as you or y become j j. For example, education become education. Okay, next when T between two consonants become d. For example, tomato become tomato. I go to school become I go to school. And finally, we have S Y become sh. For example, house is your family become how's your family. Okay, that's all about linking sounds. So so after this lesson, I hope you can speak English smoothly like native speakers. Okay, thank you for listening, and I'm very happy to introduce to you about the important part in English. I hope I hope I can see your video soon. And thank you for listening. Goodbye.